How to add instructors. As an Education Center coordinator, you may add new instructors to your program. Upon logging into the Member Center, expand the Education Center Coordinator Administration button in the menu to the left of the page and click on Add New Instructors. On the following page, begin by clicking the Education Center drop-down menu and selecting the name of your Education Center. Then, scroll down and complete the required fields for your new instructor's account. Towards the bottom of the page, be sure to check the boxes to the left of the courses the instructor is approved to teach. Select their credentials, and then choose the method you would like to use to share these credentials. Finally, confirm you have read and agree to the ECSI Instructor Agreement, and click the Submit Application button. Once their account has been activated, the instructor will receive an email that includes their login credentials. The instructor may choose to change their login credentials at any time, and we recommend that they change their default password the first time they log in. On the following confirmation page, you may use the link provided to continue to add new instructors as needed.